In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to embed Instagram feeds on your Oxygen Builder website. This is by using the Smashballoon Instagram Feed Pro plugin. It allows you to embed fast and responsive Instagram feeds with just a few clicks and no coding needed. I'll be demonstrating using the Pro version of the plugin, but you can check out the free version with less features through the WordPress repository. To get started, head over to smashballoon.com and purchase Instagram Feed Pro. Once purchased, you can find your download link and license key for the plugin inside your Smashballoon account. Download Instagram Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Now, on our WordPress dashboard, on the left-hand side, hover over Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Next, click on Upload Plugin, upload the zip file for Instagram Feed Pro, and click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate Plugin. And there we go, Instagram Feed Pro has now been installed and activated. On the left-hand side, you'll now notice Instagram Feed. Hover over it and click on Settings. And over here beside License Key, paste the license key from your Smashballoon account and click Activate. Now, you can see that our license key is active, and we can begin creating our Instagram feed. On the left hand side, once again, under Instagram feed, click on All Feeds. To create our first Instagram feed, click Add New. And for the first step of creating our feed, we'll have to select the feed type. With the plugin, you have 3 different feed types you can choose from: the user timeline option, public hashtag, and tagged posts. With Instagram Feed Pro, you can create a feed of posts from any user timeline, you can display posts from any public hashtag, or a feed of posts that you were tagged in as well. For this tutorial, let's continue with the user timeline option, and that's already selected for us, so we can click Next. After that, we'll have to add a source for our feed. Click Add Source, and on this page, you can choose a connection type that best suits your Instagram account. You can go with the Business Basic or Business Advanced option. With the Business Basic, your Instagram account doesn't need to be connected to a Facebook page, but it will only allow you to connect one Instagram account to Smashballoon. And with this option, you cannot create a hashtag or mentions feed, only the user timeline feed. But with the Business Advanced, your Instagram account must be connected to a Facebook page or business account. But with this option, you can connect multiple accounts and choose any of the feed types available on the plugin. For this demonstration, let's go with Business Advanced, select it, and click Connect. And here it's asking us if we've connected Facebook with our plugin before. Let's go click on No, then we can click on Connect with Facebook. This will take you to Facebook, and if you're already logged in, you can click on Edit Access, and here you should see all the Instagram accounts, Facebook pages, and businesses connected to your Facebook account. Find and select the Instagram account you want to display inside your feed, and make sure it's toggled on the right hand side. You can do the same thing for anywhere that account is mentioned on this list. After that, we can go back and click on Continue. You'll then get the security prompt here asking you to confirm if this is your domain. Click Yes, it's my domain. Back inside Instagram Feed Pro, you can now see all the Instagram accounts connected to Smashballoon. Select the one you want to display inside your feed like this, then click on Add. After that, we can select it as a source, then click Next. On this step, you can select the theme for the design of your Instagram feed. We have options like the default, modern, social wall, and more, with each one offering a unique design to help your Instagram feed stand out on your site. For this video, let's go with the outline theme. Once selected, click Next. And finally, the last step of creating our Instagram feed, selecting a template for the layout of our feed. We have options like the default, simple grid, masonry cards, card grid, and more. Let's go ahead with the card grid template. Select it, then click Next. And just like that, we have a live preview of our brand new Instagram feed that we just created. It's displaying the latest Instagram post from the Green Grove Eatery Instagram account, which is the source we added, and the posts are being displayed in the theme and template that we chose. Our feed is now ready to be embedded inside our Oxygen Builder page. But before I show you how to do that, let me show you how we can customize this feed. On the left hand side, under the Customize tab, click on Feed Layout. Here you can customize the layout of your Instagram feed. At the top, you can choose from 4 different layout options. First one is the grid layout. This one displays your posts in rows and columns. Next, we have the carousel layout, which allows you to swipe through the posts inside your feed like this. Third is the masonry layout. This one displays your posts in rows and columns, but with the posts in the original sizes. Lastly, we have the highlight layout, which highlights specific posts in a larger size inside your feed. But now, let's continue with the grid layout, and if you scroll down, you can choose the number of posts you want to display inside your feed on desktop and mobile. Currently on desktop, we're displaying 8 posts as you can see inside the preview, but if you want to modify that, just enter the number of posts you want to display. For example, let's go with 6, and straight away you can now see that we have 6 posts inside our feed. Let's go and change this to 9, and now we have 9 posts. After that, you can also customize the number of columns inside your feed. Currently we have 4 columns, but to change it, just open this up and select the number of columns you want to display. Let's go with 3. Our Instagram feed is now updated to display 3 columns instead, and if you're happy with the changes, click Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to customize the header at the top of your feed, go to the Customize tab and click on Header. Here you'll find 4 different header styles you can choose from. Currently we have the standard header style. This one displays your profile picture, account handle, and bio at the top of your feed. On the right hand side, you can see the number of posts and the number of followers. After that, we also have the boxed layout, which puts all the elements inside the header in this box, which you can customize. And third is the centered header style. This one displays all the elements inside the header in a stacked orientation like this. And lastly, we have the text header style, which is a minimal customizable text header that you can modify down below. You can enter anything you want, such as our latest posts. And if you'd like to disable the header entirely, you can go and toggle it off at the top here. Now you can see that our header has disappeared from the top of our feed. I'm going to bring it back. And for this video, I'm going to continue with the standard header style. And if you made any changes, click save on the top right corner. Lastly, if you want to control what post you display inside your Instagram feed, go into the settings tab and click on filters and moderation. Next, if we go into moderate your feed and enable it, this menu allows you to choose the exact post you display inside your Instagram feed. There's two ways to do this, with the allow list and the block list. With the allow list, all your posts will be hidden by default, apart from the ones you manually choose to display like this. Alternatively, with the block list, all your posts will be displayed by default, apart from the ones you choose to hide manually. Or you can also enter the post ID manually over here to hide those posts as well. If you made any changes, you can click save, but for now, we're going to disable this. And if I go back, under filters, we can add words or hashtags as filters, so that our Instagram feed only displays or hides posts containing those words or hashtags. And lastly, we can also filter posts based on their post type, whether you only want to display photos, feed videos, or reels. For example, if I only want to display reels, I can deselect photos and feed videos. And my Instagram feed is now updated to only display Instagram reels. So for this video, I'm going to bring back photos and feed videos. There we go. And if you're happy with your changes, click save on the top right corner. Now that you know how to create and customize your Instagram feed, let me show you how we can embed it inside your Oxygen Builder webpage. To do that, click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, then click on Add to a Page. Next, select the page you want to embed your feed to. Let's go with this one here, and click Add. And here we are inside our Oxygen Builder page, and if I scroll down, we can embed our Instagram feed over here. To embed it, let's look for the shortcode component. We can type in shortcode, which is this one here, and if we click, that should place it inside our page like this. Now we can paste the shortcode that we copied earlier for our feed, right here, and you'll already see a quick preview of our feed inside the Oxygen Builder page. We can now save our changes and check out what it looks like on the live website. And now we're on our live Oxygen Builder webpage, and if I scroll down, we have our brand new Instagram feed that we just created inside our Oxygen Builder page. It looks amazing, and it's featuring the latest post from Green Grove Eatery. Each post has a thumbnail, the account name and profile picture at the top, when that post was published, a preview of the caption inside the thumbnail and underneath as well, and you also have the number of likes and comments at the bottom. At the bottom of the post, you also have a button here that says View on Instagram. Once clicked, that will take the site visitor to your Instagram profile. And if I scroll down to the bottom of the feed, you'll also find a Load More button. If a site visitor clicks on that, that will load additional posts inside your Instagram feed directly on your Oxygen Builder website. And if a site visitor clicks on any of the posts, like this reel here, that reel will start playing automatically directly on your Oxygen Builder website. And on the right hand side, you have the caption, a button to share the post, or view the post on Instagram. And there you have it. That's how we can create, customize, and embed an Instagram feed like this on your Oxygen Builder website. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you experience any technical issues, please contact our awesome support team. They'd be happy to help you out. And please consider subscribing to our channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.